Well, go figure, I'm going to start out day 3 here with audio problems also, but what I was trying to tell you is I'm headed down towards Tellico Plains. I'm going to make a left turn onto the Charahola Skyway, but immediately turn off of it onto a side road that parallels it. I have no real plan for today. It's going to be another day of random turns and just picking a direction, picking a road, and seeing where I end up. So if any of this sounds cool, which, by the way, I find some pretty cool things, stick around, stay tuned, and we'll get started right after this.
Okay, I am on Rafter Road. Just got off the parkway. It's literally right there on the other side of that tree line. Not that I really know anything about this area, but I'm going to pretend like I do. You have cabin rentals here, which look pretty neat. Don't know what they cost. Just saw the sign. But we're going to figure out where this road goes. It might be all pavement like this. It might turn into gravel. Don't know. Wish I'd have come in from the other direction though. I wasn't even thinking about heading east this morning into the sun, but as long as I got the mountains here, I'll be okay. Wow, look at that place. Wow, look at that place. Holy moly. That is cool. And again, so is that. What is it? Don't know. Now, would that not have been the place to live? Holy crap. I had to get off the bike and walk back here and show you. This is awesome. I thought I'd stop here at the local community center, Mudhole, Tennessee. What do you think? Go in, get a brew maybe? Alright, gotta get off the road for a local. I'm just touring, let them pass. And that's how you be a good tourist. Besides, I want to get a little bit of this on camera anyway. Check out that Jeep. That is cool. I'm on Cane Creek something or other road. Oh, look at that, would you? It turned into gravel. I wish I could say I was surprised, but I'm not. I just hope it stays like this. I really don't know where I'm going to end up. The rock coming through. Well, one of the other cool factors about being back here, the temperature really jumped. We're in the mid 50s according to the bike right now. We're in the low 40s. Well, I saw a truck. Wish I would have seen a man. Would have liked to have asked where that road to the right goes. GPS makes it look like it dead ends, but I'm not positive. This road I know takes me back out to Route 360. That I can see on the GPS, so we're going to do that. Just a shame all the litter, even way back here. Well, that road I stopped at a while back, not sure where it goes, I now know where it goes. I accidentally came back up it, so now I'm kind of retracing my path. I just came down this road not too long ago. It's amazing how easy for me it is to get turned around on these twisty mountain roads. Well, if you watched my 11,000 mile review of this bike, basically having the street biased mentality, I complained about the lack of a stroke, for lack of a better term, on the clutch lever, how short it was. I'm starting to appreciate that now. On roads like this, where it's really bumpy, and if I need to disengage a little bit and just slip the clutch a little bit to make a sharp turn, the fact that I gotta move ever so little, I guess the engineers at BMW knew more than me. Imagine that. Sure, that doesn't take much. Well, I ran into some more. There's a wreck area back here. Single track road. That may be good or that may be bad. I don't know. Not even sure if this road goes through. Don't know where I'm going, but it's beautiful through here. Oh, that's encouraging. If there's homes back here, I would assume the road goes all the way through. I don't know. This has been a fun hill climb, very bumpy and a little loose. Wow. Nice place to live, that's for damn sure. Wow. I don't want to come back here in a big truck. Look how low those lines are, holy crap. What's this? Let's go check it out. Hey, there's water on the bridge. Does this count as a water crossing? Oh man, it is so beautiful back here. Alright, I'm done with that section of gravel road. That is the Cherloa Skyway right there at the stop sign, which probably don't show up on GoPro, but I'm wanting to hang a left here. It appears like it dead ends, almost like it goes into a residential area, which doesn't make sense. I don't know if this tan, listen to me, I'm an idiot. This gray line is a gravel road like normal, or well, I don't know. Let's go see. Ooh, bumps. Ugh. Right now, this is freaking awesome. It's getting kind of hot, though. Of course, I am layered up. Big hole. Man, for me, this is what's freaking awesome. A relatively nice gravel road, very remote country. Well, I could do this all day, every day. Now, here's the decision. Do I go left, which is what I want to do? It appears that it turns into a gravel road, or I just stay to the right, which I know will take me back to where this road to the left would dump me out. I don't know. Last thing I want to do is get stuck somewhere, and even though that does look kind of cool. I don't know. Maybe we'll come back up that way if I get back around over here and it looks like a real road. I don't know. Based on the sign back there, I guess this road is 35-1, I guess? I don't know. I'm headed east out of that Indian Boundary Lake I was just at. It's a dirt road, but it's okay. I mean, it's a little rocky, a little bumpy here and there, but it hasn't been so bad. Of course, now that I say that, it's like a bucking bronco. Oh, and just think, some people are at work today. God, this is awesome. I may never go back to Ohio. I know, that's a bold-faced lie. Gotta have money somehow, right? Look at that river down there. I'm sure GoPro won't let you see it, but that is frickin' awesome. Holy crap. Man, there's no good way down there either. Unless this road's... Looks like there's a road beside it. Wow, I better pay attention before I drive off the road. Hey, this road is going to take me right by that river. That's freaking awesome. There's a car down there. According to GPS, a wicked left-hander down here. So we're just going to take our sweet old time and try not to wreck and enjoy the scenery. I am so glad this bike has a fairly quiet exhaust. I know, I probably just offended a bunch of people with their loud exhausts. Oh, hey, there's a road even back there. Can you hear that?
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I thought I'd film it out here on this gravel road. Probably my last one of the trip. So if you would, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below and help me grow this channel. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video.